Hello and welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I have already applied my favourite peel off paste coat. I am now adding my base colour. I do 2 coats to make this fully opaque. I am now adding stamping polish to the image I'd like to use. I scraped the polish down, but as you can see I went wrong. So I added some more polish and I scraped the polish over the image again. I roll my stamper over the image to pick it up. I line up the image and roll it onto my nail. I am now removing the liquid latex from around my nails. I do any cleanup around my cuticles with an angled brush and acetone. I am now applying my favourite matte top coat. I am now adding red glitter to the part that I stamped. I am now applying my favourite cuticle oil and I massage it into my fingers. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.